minus 16x squared is 3x squared. Remember, when you add, subtract polynomials, they stay the same. Okay. All right, now repeat. Same thing over again. Take my highest term, 3x squared, divide by the outside term, x. Notice we divide by x, divide by x. We divide by the same thing every time. 3x squared divided by x is 3x. When you divide, that's what goes up top. It's positive. Now we multiply. Now we multiply x plus 8. 3x times x plus 8 is 3x squared plus 3x times 8 is 24x. All right? We multiply, that's what goes underneath. 3x squared plus 24x. Again, what are we doing in this problem? We're subtracting, right? You divide, you multiply, then you subtract. Change the sign at the bottom. The 3x squareds cancel. 31x minus 24x is 7x plus 56. All right? This is going to be the last time. My highest power, 7x divided by, again, we divide by the same thing every time, and you get 7. 7 goes up top. And then we multiply. And notice we also multiply by x plus 8 every single time. X plus 8. Distribute 7x plus 56. Oh, hey. Subtract, subtract, 0. No remainder. So the answer is, we divided. What did we get? 2x squared plus 3x plus 7. Okay. Next one, number 4. 6x to the third plus 23x squared plus 42x plus 55 divided by 2x plus 5. Okay, there we go. Pause the video, try it on your own. Math is not a spectator sport. It's just like a sport. You have to practice, practice, practice. Get good at those skills. I can watch basketball all day long. That doesn't mean I can make a free throw. Trust me, I can't. All right, so I write the division. Highest power. How many times does 2x plus 5 go into the polynomial? So we focus on the x's, ignore the 5. The 5 will work itself out. 6x to the third, divide by 2x. This time we have a coefficient, so it's a little harder. Okay? I think it's more harder for me to make the problem than you to do it, though. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then again, remember, you subtract exponents. 3 minus 1 is 2, x squared. You divide, your answer goes up top. Then we distribute. We're multiplying. 6x squared times 2x plus 5. Distribute. 3x squared times 2x is 6x to the third, plus 3x squared times 5, 15x squared. You multiply, that number goes underneath. 6x cubed plus 15x squared. And then what do we do? Subtract. Minus, minus. 6x cubed minus 6x cubed is 0, cancels out. 23x squared minus 15x squared is 8x squared. The x's stay the same when you add and subtract. They only change when you multiply and divide. All right, next highest term, 8x squared over 2x. Again, divide by that highest term, same thing. 8x squared divided by 2x is 4x. The 4x goes up top. After you divide, put that up top. That's the answer. Now, to simplify the problem, you multiply by the outside. We're multiplying 4x times 2x plus 5. We're distributing. 8x squared plus 20x. 8x squared plus 20x. We now subtract. Divide, multiply, subtract. This cancels. 22x plus 55. Last time, 22x over 2x. The x's cancel and you get 11 plus 11. Distribute. 22x plus 55. Oh, yay, we get the same thing again. Minus, minus, 0. No remainder. Okay? All right. Next one I'm going to go a little faster. I'm not going to show as much work. Okay. X cubed minus x squared minus 44x plus 14 divided by x minus 7. Okay? It's number 5. Put the x minus 7 on the outside. X cubed minus x squared minus 44x plus 14. Take that first term and divide. X cubed divided by x is x squared. X squared. I'm not going to show the distributing. I'm just going to do it this time. X squared times x is x to the third minus x squared times 7 is 7x squared, sorry. Now, once you get that, remember we changed the sign. We're subtracting. So we subtract, but notice if we do that, we get a double negative. 2 negatives make a positive, so you actually end up adding. These cancel, and we have negative x squared and 7x squared, which is 6x squared. And then same thing. Take that highest power, 6x squared, divide by x. 6x. 6x goes up top. Distribute. 6x times x